Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to start the course on C++ programming. So this is the very first class on C++ programming where we are going to learn our very first C++ program. So let's getting started. The very first thing that comes in our mind is the platform on which we can perform the C++ program. So there are many platforms out there on which we can perform the C++ program, but I suggest codeblocks. Codeblocks can easily be downloaded from the link given in the description. Also, you can find many videos on YouTube to download codeblocks and how to install it. This is how the codeblocks look like. First, go to the new file and click on the empty file, and there comes the place where we can write our program. Before writing the C++ program, I suggest to save the file first so that codeblocks know it that this is a C or C++ file. Let's say I write as first program and then I will write CPP so that codeblocks know it is in a C++ file. Then I can write my first C++ program. So let me quickly write down the first C++ program, and then I'm going to describe each of the line. So after writing that program, save this first, and after saving it, build the program. And once you have built the program and there is no error, it means you have written your program correctly. Now let's discuss each of the line and their purpose. So the first line writes as #include IOStream along with the signs of less than and greater than. So the purpose of this is actually a header file library that lets us work with input and output objects such as the cout, which actually will print whatever written in the inverted commas. After that, there is a using namespace std, which means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. And don't worry if you don't understand the purpose of the first two lines. Right now, just remember that these two lines will be part of every C++ program. After that, I created a empty space. That line number 3 is empty, so this will not be read by the compiler. On line number 4, there is another thing which will always be appearing is int man, which actually is the function. So whatever written inside the curly brackets will be executed. So cout is an object used together with the insertion operators to output or print the text which is written in the inverted commas. It means in this case hello is written, so when the program will be executed, the hello would be printed. So keep in mind that every C++ statement ends with a semicolon. Again, keep in mind that these white spaces at line number 5 and line number 7 will be ignored by the C++. And at the end, it's written 0, which means the function is ending here. So keep in mind that each of the line in the main function ends with a semicolon. Since the program is built already, now we are going to run the program. So once we have run the program, here you can see the hello is being printed. It means whatever which is written in this line, the cout line, which is actually the one which will print. And in this case, we have written hello in between the inverted commas. Therefore, hello is being printed. So whatever you are going to write in that inverted commas, the same will be printed. Similarly, I am changing it as hello there. So first we need to build it and then we can run it again. And now you can see it's being changed to hello there. So these lines are not the part of what a program executes. Whatever that is being written in the inverted commas, that's being printed. So this is a basic program. As we move further, we are going to have the complex program.